ดอกหนึ่งเขาโทรครับแต่ว่าไม่สำเร็จอุ้ยแม่ทั้งแข้งทั้งหมัดทั้ง
Di dalam ring arena yang berdebu, di antara suara yang menggelegar, dan di tengah kekuatan yang tak terkalahkan, Muay Thai, seni bela diri yang paling dahsyat, lahir dari darah, keringat, dan keberanian. Lihatlah kecepatan, kekuatan, dan mental para petarung Muay Thai yang membuat Muay Thai menjadi salah satu seni bela diri paling ditakuti di dunia. Hingga tahun 1980-an, bagi orang-orang yang belum pernah mengunjungi negara Thailand, Muay Thai merupakan seni bela diri yang sama sekali tidak dikenal. Di Brasilia, Jiu-Jitsu berkembang sangat pesat dan diklaim sebagai sistem pertarungan terbaik di dunia. Di Amerika, kickboxing dan karate dianggap tidak ada tandingannya dan yang terbaik. Sampai hadirnya UFC dalam kompetisi mixed martial art, UFC masih sulit untuk menentukan sistem seni bela diri mana yang paling efektif dalam olahraga pertarungan campuran tersebut. Namun pada tahun 1988 terjadi peristiwa yang sangat penting bagi seluruh dunia dalam seni bela diri. Seorang juara dunia kickboxing yang tak terkalahkan yaitu Rick Rufus memiliki rekor bertanding 28 kali menang tanpa pernah kalah dan dianggap sebagai salah satu petarung terbaik pada masa itu. Dia memutuskan untuk membuktikan bahwa kickboxing Amerika lebih unggul dari Muay Thai dan mengklaim bahwa petarung Muay Thai tidak akan memiliki peluang menang melawannya. Lawannya adalah Chiang Puye, seorang petarung Muay Thai yang sangat tangguh dan merupakan petarung pertama yang bertandang keluar Thailand, sekaligus memperkenalkan pada dunia seni bela diri Muay Thai. Dalam pertarungan ini, persenjataan pukulan andalan Muay Thai dibatasi dalam aturan pertandingan, seperti melarang pukulan siku, membanting, memegang lawan. Pukulan di bawah pinggang juga dilarang, dan bila clinch langsung dipisahkan wasit. Namun tendangan rendah atau tendangan ke arah kaki diizinkan dalam pertarungan tersebut. Petarung Thailand tersebut bertarung sesuai aturan kickboxing Amerika. Meskipun persenjataan atau jurus-jurus Muay Thai sangat dibatasi dalam aturan, yang terpenting adalah pertarungan ini ditayangkan di televisi untuk khalayak yang sangat besar di seluruh penjuru dunia. Pada ronde pertama, Rick Rufus memulai dengan awal yang sangat agresif dan sangat cepat. Ia melancarkan serangkaian pukulan lalu mundur untuk menjaga jarak. Namun begitu, petarung Thailand itu menyerangnya dengan tendangan ke arah kaki bawah Rick Rufus.
Round number 1, and Rufus goes right to the legs. Rick Rufus in the long pants, Kit Song-grit. Rufus with a big bang into the ribs there. Took one coming back from it, but he landed one in the ribs there that I guarantee you his family back in Thailand felt. Is all over him right now and hitting him very hard. He is not getting off the kicks, is not Kit Song-grit, and Rufus is backing him up.
Rick Rufus starting off like a whirlwind in here, not giving the guy a chance to really get set.
Throwing lots of straight and left by Rufus. Rufus moving around very well. Spinning back kick into the belly. That hurt the Thai. Kit Song-grit is a little confused because Rufus is...
Seperti yang kita saksikan, Chiang Puye beraksi dalam posisi berdiri di sebelah kiri, yang berarti kaki kanan Rufus dalam bahaya besar. Rick Rufus melancarkan banyak pukulan dan Chiang Puye tetap melancarkan tendangan kaki dan yakin bahwa petarung Amerika itu akan rentan terhadap tendangan kaki tersebut.
Does Kit Song-grit look confused to you in there?
He looks to me like he is a little confused by the style and footwork of Rick Rufus, and he has been stung a couple times. He's felt a lot of the power of Rick Rufus.
Halfway through this first round, these are 3-minute rounds with a 1-minute break, and as you can hear...
Di pertengahan ronde terjadi knockdown pertama bagi petarung Thailand. Namun petarung Thailand itu masih mampu bangkit.
Beginning to be a little bit more aggressive. His name is Kit Songret. He took a left hand there and he's down. Rick Rufus landed a left on the jaw and the Thai fighter Kit Songret just crumbled and is bleeding from the mouth.
Rick Rufus langsung melancarkan serangan beruntun dan terjadi knockdown kedua bagi petarung Muay Thai.
Rufus wants to get on, hits him again and knocks him down. Kit Songret is down again and you can see his eyes are a little glassy, John.
Melihat kondisi seperti ini, Rick Rufus memutuskan untuk secepatnya menghabisi lawannya di ronde pertama. Namun Chang berhasil bertahan dan pertarungan berlanjut ke ronde kedua.
Rufus is getting inside of those kicks and he is landing the big punches, and Kit Songret has never come across this kind of power, I don't think.
Rufus doing a great job of keeping the pressure on, but Kit Songret showing tremendous heart to stay in there after being knocked down twice. He's fighting back on courage and on heart and on instinct.
He is one tough fella, there's no two ways about that, and he is still rubbery-legged. But we are up to the end of round number one. A guy you've never seen fight like this before. Rick Rufus acquitting himself very well as round number two we're just about ready for here. A lot of ice in that corner, and referee Tom Schlesinger has to kick.
Follows up over the top with a straight left right there, and you can see Kit Songret knees go out from under him, and he goes back after that first knockdown. A right hook that misses, a left straight shot that comes straight through, and you can see crossed his eyes. Yep, absolutely created a nice palace over there. I mean, they must have enough ice to...
Pada ronde kedua, tendangan ke arah kaki dari Chang terus menghantam kaki kanan Rick yang mulai merasa kesakitan.
Well, he is. He's just creating a
Thai fighter in the short pants. Rufus takes one in the back of the knee there. And he is, as you had pointed out, John, the key here is Rufus's footwork. Rufus is dancing away from a lot of this stuff.
But he's making the Thai miss.
Di pertengahan ronde, terlihat jelas bahwa bagi Rufus, tendangan rendah ke arah kaki mulai menjadi masalah yang nyata dan ia kesulitan menghindarinya.
Rufus's knee. There's a left hand over the top and another left, and Rufus is inside. Rufus lands a right. The Thai fighter again is stunned a little bit. I don't know that he's badly hurt, but he is aware that he's being hit. Once again, Kit Songret lands a good kick.
Chiang Puya berhasil menggunakan strateginya dalam pertarungan tersebut, yaitu menghancurkan kaki Rufus.
Exhorting their fighter, and Rick Rufus is willing to stand and trade as long as he can do it. Rufus hit there in the leg.
He's trying to work inside. He's trying to step inside and land the left hand. The Thai is doing a good job of keeping his hands up and taking away the target. Rick Rufus having to move away from those powerful kicks to the legs.
Now again, Rick Rufus tying up there as we're halfway left knee.
He's slow getting up, and he is. He's moving very gingerly on those legs.
Lands a right, a round kick, and a right and a left from Rufus. Rufus needs to end this one fast, and he lands the left. And Rufus is throwing everything from Iowa. Rufus is throwing the big leather here, trying to get out of this one because he doesn't want damage to his knees. Kit Songret has heart, no doubt about it. 1 minute left in this round.
Chiang Puya melakukan knockdown bagi Rick Rufus, namun Chang lepas kontrol dengan menginjak saat lawan terjatuh, dan Chiang Puya mendapat pengurangan angka.
In a Thai fight, Rick Rufus was stomped when he was down.
Now you want of being caught with that kick, fell down. The Thai fighter stomped him in the stomach. Now I think it's probably fair when it's a...
There's a back kick that misses. Rick Rufus is tripped up and goes down. He's obviously down. And here comes that stomp. And that's a pretty strong stomp.
That's new to him too, and he's handling himself pretty well in this fight. He hasn't let this fight get out of control on him, and it has every potential to. As you can see, the crowd up around the ring, standing up close around the ring and standing up close and very tight behind us. And again, we are back going here. There should be about 30 seconds left here in round.
Di akhir ronde, Rick melakukan serangan ke kepala Chang, tetapi hal ini tidak menghentikan serangkaian tendangan rendah yang ditujukan ke kaki petarung Amerika tersebut.
He's trying to land again the left hand.
Good spinning back fist by Rufus that landed and shook Kit Songret up. A high round kick to the jaw, but to do it, he had to take one to the back of the knee, and I'm thinking Rufus probably, hang on to your seats, folks, do not go away. This is going to get better. Got himself stomped in the belly a while back.
We're going to see these leg kicks that come just driving in there to Rick Rufus. He throws a back leg round kick, and we had two.
We're back at the Sands.
Rufus ahead by 3 points.
How can you tell?
Because
Pada ronde ketiga, terlihat jelas bahwa petarung Thailand memiliki kesempatan untuk menang. Chang terus mengejar Rick dan menyerangnya dengan serangan-serangan yang kejam.
Rick Rufus again, an American fighter not used to these rules in the long red pants. Kit Songrid is not used to being hit. That's a legitimate knockdown. Well, now Schlesinger's calling that one a slip.
The way that works, the kicks to the legs don't get called as knockdowns, they get called as sweeps. So again, it doesn't count as a knockdown.
Kit Songrid, a tough young man. Rufus has hurt, and you have to wonder if Rick Rufus isn't wondering why in the world he took this fight.
Not attacking enough, and he's got to use that type of thing. Straight shots, those side kicks and front kicks can do something to stop a little bit.
Now Rufus, honestly, it's not working.
Good left hand then by Rufus.
A left and a right.
He's catching the kick stronger and go down at the very end of those punches. He's not really hitting
in the kick. Rufus drops one hand down to block the kick. Throws a punch with the other hand, leaving us halfway through round 3. Consolidative for the first time. Good left and a right and a left by Rufus as he is fighting from the right side. Comes up with a good uppercut into the ribs that shook Kit Songrid. Crowd very vocal in the background. John and I can hardly hear each other. There's 1 minute left in round number 3. That shot to the legs hurt Rufus.
Rufus again landing those punches, but they're too far extended to really have a lot of sting on.
And he's also not able to get a rotation of his hips to throw the punch, John, because he's got bad legs down.
His legs are obviously bothering him. He's really having a problem.
Now there's a throw by Kit Songrid, which, what are the 3 points coming from now? Rufus with a good kick into the ribs.
And again, his legs are just taking an absolute pounding.
And you wonder if Rufus isn't being just a little bit too brave here. He doesn't really have much to lose in this thing. He ought to just forget it right now if his legs, this is about a potential world champion here. And you just wonder, well, it is wild and woolly at the Sands, folks.
Are comfortable with some sort of a blended set of rules, and it's causing an awful lot of discussion and an awful lot
by these points penalizing. But then again, the rules are the rules.
We're going to see another strong leg kick here.
Pada ronde keempat, Rick mulai menghindari lawannya karena ia tidak dapat lagi menahan tendangan-tendangan ke arah kakinya yang menyebabkan ia merasa sangat kesakitan. Dan tendangan terakhir membuat Rick Rufus jatuh terkapar dan tak mampu bangkit lagi.
Rick Rufus now trying to keep away from Melendred, and probably his safest haven is as close to Kit Songrid as he can get. Rufus has the power, and Kit Songrid has never been hit the way Rufus can hit him. And Rufus is hurt now. He tried to spin Rick Rufus in the corner. Can we hear this?
Well, he's staying in there. They ought to stop. His corner ought to stop this.
They really should. This is a case of Rick wanting to be too honorable here. This is an exhibition fight.
He's really taking a chance on suffering some permanent injury.
It's in a stage, John. He just ought to get right up on the guy and let him have it. Otherwise, he's...
Kit Songrid looking very, very strong now. Just obviously extremely aggressively coming in with those leg kicks.
Well, he knows clearly, and the referee, Tom Schlesinger, has stopped this fight, and probably that's a very smart thing to do. Rufus really is not being hurt by punches. What he is being is hurt.
Dan Chang Puya memenangkan pertarungan dengan TKO di ronde keempat. Setelah pertarungan ini, para dokter dipanggil untuk memberikan pertolongan medis kepada Rick Rufus karena cedera kakinya yang sangat serius. Ini adalah kekalahan pertama bagi Rick Rufus sepanjang karir profesionalnya.
hope that Rick has suffered no serious damage or no.
Sahabat Sport TV, Chang Puya telah memberikan kontribusi besar dan membuka mata dunia bahwa ada seni bela diri dari negeri Gajah Putih yang begitu indah dan mematikan, yaitu Muay Thai. Dampak dari pertarungan tersebut adalah membuat Muay Thai menjadi sangat populer di dunia dan memberikan dampak besar bagi perkembangan seni bela diri Muay Thai. Banyak praktisi seni bela diri yang memasukkan unsur-unsur teknik serangan Muay Thai ke dalam seni bela diri mereka dalam ajang pertarungan mixed martial art seperti pada UFC, Bellator, dan yang lain-lainnya. Sementara itu, saudara Rick Rufus yaitu Duke Rufus memberikan pernyataan dalam wawancara bahwa teknik serangan kaki dari Muay Thai tidak memerlukan keahlian khusus dan dia tidak mengakui kekuatan serangan Muay Thai tersebut. Terlepas dari semua itu, kenyataannya bahwa petarung Muay Thai baru saja mengalahkan salah satu petarung kickboxing terbaik di dunia pada masa itu. Di masa depan, Duke Rufus kemudian juga memasukkan unsur-unsur baru Muay Thai ke dalam jurus-jurusnya, dan ia mengakui bahwa ia telah banyak mengubah pendapatnya tentang tendangan rendah ke arah kaki. Di masa depan, Duke Rufus menjadi pelatih kelas 1 dalam teknik serangan Muay Thai, dan dia dianggap sebagai salah satu petarung terbaik di dunia. Ia juga merupakan salah satu pelatih Muay Thai terbaik di luar Thailand. Terima kasih sudah menyaksikan. Salam Sport TV. Stay tuned and be happy.